Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. The structure of the technical pattern for the Australian dollar was to the challenge of 75.80, which is the market's been met. Now I'm a little bit cautious of the fact that we are oversold from a weekly point and also going to the daily as well, with further indication that a rebound could be in the makings. For those that are short, just be on your guard that a break above 76.20.35 could actually see a further rally. Any pullback now should find support at 75.60 to 75.25.35, but I'm not getting overly bearish at this bottom side of the range. Overnight, the US dollar did break down further and got to a low of 93.29 on the index, and this in turn saw the rally in the euro to 118.50.70. From the rejection, of course, from the firm cap that's been holding very well over the period of the last few weeks, should I say, is the fact that the rejection could be setting up a potential downturn, especially when you look at the RSI. Therefore, I am now looking to sell rallies towards 118.50.70 with a downturn to 117.55 to 116.90. Now a break beneath there will give further scope to the downside, with the initial target at 115.5 still holding as a short-term base. My view for dollar yen is a little bit concerning now. The fact that it took out 112.80, mainly on the back of a weaker US dollar, of course, now looks towards a target of 112.55 and a base holding at 112.30.35. Looking to the top side, resistance comes in at 113.15 to 113.65. My view still at the moment is neutral with a pound, even though we are getting some tests toward the upside. At the moment, the resistance comes in at 132.20.30, but I'd be more inclined to step in to sell this market around 133. I expect to see a rejection from this level and could easily see a pullback with the immediate target holding around 131.25 to 130.70. The gold again rejects that level at 88 overnight and falls a whopping $14. My strategy is to buy dips from 76. Well, this is where we nearly are now, and I'm looking to buy from that region and towards 70, as I expect to see a rebound and test this level at 88 and eventually go on towards 99 and reassess from there. The silver outlook pretty much unchanged, still holding in at 1680 to 1725 range after the recent rejection and also maybe again last night. Overall, we should still see buys from 80 and I do expect to see a rebound. And to wrap up with oil, the market is still quite negative, as from a technical point it still points towards 54.70, with any rally now sees a cap around 56.5. So that wraps up today. Thank you very much for joining me and I hope you have a wonderful day that's ahead of us.